Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at something a little different. We're going to be looking at the Tretorn Nylite Plus. Now this canvas shoe is in the white and green colorway, and these Swedish boys retail for $75. Looking at the box, we have a simple white design with the Tretorn logo and the sizing and colorway labeled on both ends, which I thought was interesting. Opening the box, the tissue paper has some more branding on it, and here are the shoes. Really nice canvas shoes. We're going to be looking at the upper, the insole and outsole, and lastly we're going to be seeing how these hold up on feet. The Tretorn Nylite was originally released in 1967. This Swedish tennis shoe was popularized by the famous Swedish tennis player Bjorn Borg. The shoe was known as the first luxury sports shoe. Yes, this was luxury back in '67. For the upper, of course, it's made out of this thick canvas. It's got a really nice stripe from the toe box that flows into the lace holder. It flows really nicely and I really like the design. On the tongue, the Tretorn lettering is stitched nicely on it. Below that we have some nice flat white laces. On the side we have the logo. It's actually called the Tretorn Golfwing logo, the more you know. On the medial side of the shoe we have some breathability holes similar to Chuck Taylor's. Lastly, the collar of the shoe is lightly padded and the inside is lined with terry cloth. Moving down, the outsole is made out of your typical rubber. It's got an interesting pattern on the side. On the toe area, it's got a stripe-like pattern, and it's the same for the rear, but it also has the Tretorn lettering stamped on it. Below, the tread pattern is pretty uninspiring. It's really just a bunch of lines. Looks like a wooden pier to me, but it gets the job done. For the insole, it has this thick, soft, spongy material that it's made out of. Then below that, it has another spongy material, but this one is a lot harder. It feels like when you leave a sponge out to dry and it gets hard, it just feels denser. The insole is actually an eco-ortholite insole, and what that means is that it's a bio-based formulation that's supposed to be more environmentally friendly and sustainable. The tech uses a bio-oil alternative that is substituted in place of the petroleum-based polyurethane that is used in other insoles. So it's going to be interesting to see how these feel on feet. On feet, they fit true to size for me. The toe box was roomy and comfortable. Below, the insole actually felt pretty nice. You can definitely feel the sponginess of the insole. I wore it all day and had no issues. The shoe is also very breathable, so it's going to be perfect for the upcoming spring and summer seasons. My only real gripe with the shoe is that it gets dirty quickly. It's a white shoe, so that's to be expected, but the shoe is also canvas, which makes things a lot worse. First day I wore them and I already dirtied them. Feels bad, man. Speaking of the color, I forgot to mention that the shoe is more of a cream color rather than a pure white. Not sure if it shows up on camera, but yeah, I thought I'd mention that. Overall, I really like the shoe and I would definitely recommend it for the upcoming spring and summer months. It's comfortable and breathable. It goes with pretty much everything. It's just a simple yet beautiful looking shoe. It's very classy, elegant, and old school. So it's really no wonder why it was seen as the first luxury sports shoe. There's a link down below in the description box if you guys want to check out the shoe. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Follow me on TikTok at Regular Gear. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.